What's up, y'all? How you guys doing? It is late, y'all. I don't have my phone here. It is like something to 8, maybe 8:30, and I'm going to a birthday shindig, I guess. It's Sunday, and you guys know. Hope I got enough battery on this camera so I can do this. But I did start my brows. I'm going to just, clean them up a little bit. But how are you guys doing? Y'all, look at this. I ain't even ready. Y'all see this? Tomorrow I'm doing somebody's makeup and I ain't even got the tools and things I need in front of me. Okay, so I hope we have enough camera battery life to do this. We're gonna try to make it cute, short, and sweet. I ain't gonna talk too long. It's like a cute little get ready with me, just chit chat and talk. You know how we do. But how was you guys' weekend? Tomorrow is MLK. I was trying to vlog a little bit today. I got a little bit of footage, but didn't get much. You guys know I can't talk and do vlogs at the same time. I did take a nap, so I do feel pretty good, but I know my body is just used to just being on chill mode. So we're gonna see how I do. And I'm not drinking. You know, I did have a cocktail with my mom for her birthday, but I called my girlfriend. She's like, "You still coming?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm coming." And like, I'm doing dry January. First she's like, "Oh, I'm buying bottles. I got a section. I'm getting bottles." No, girl. No, girl. No, girl. This is your birthday. You gonna have a bunch of friends there that y'all can do that with. Give me club soda, lime, and some mint. I'll throw my glass up in the air. I've been doing good too. Just that I had that one little drink. But yeah, I'm gonna look very chill. I'm putting on one of my Amazon bodysuits, the mock neck one to be exact, and some old who's Time and True? Walmart? Yes. Some old Time and True black jeans and one of my boots. I'm probably gonna put on my Target boots. I'm gonna be coming out looking very affordable tonight. I mean, I'm always affordable, but yeah, my brows is not giving what I wanted to give. I don't know. I need to do a facial so bad. Do a good scrub. I can see all the dry spots in my face. You know, the weather has changed, and I just recently changed my moisturizer. My moisturizer is definitely helping out. But I need to do a good scrub and like get all of this skin off. I can just see it. And I haven't done a peel. I never did one of those before. But I can tell by me. I'm getting older. I know I am. You know, I love me a good matte, you know. Come on, y'all. Come on. I can't even. It's how you know it's late. I can't even open stuff. You know, your body be weak after a certain hour. Oh, God. There you go. But I'll leave all the products listed down below. This is that Wet n Wild. This is what is this? This is brightening, but it's liquid water based, so it's hydrating. But like I was saying, you know, getting up there. So I need to really move away from mattifying products. I really do. I like the look. I like the look. I do. I like it, but I can tell a difference from me wearing this Giorgio Armani. And this here is Face and Body. This is not matte, but it's waterproof, so it gives a different look. It's not hydrated. I mean, it's kind of like hydrating, you know, but it's not like, you know, my other stuff. You know, my other stuff is like it's holding that water in, baby. But yeah, tomorrow I am washing my brushes, non-negotiable. I didn't even shake this up. That's how you know it is late and I'm trying to be out. But this time I hope I can get me a picture. I had did a get ready with me. I was like, oh, I'm gonna take a picture so you guys can see. Girl, I'll be in my zone. And I just like this foundation. This foundation is so nice. It's a very light, you know, beginner friendly. If you don't mind spending a little dollar, you know, this is definitely nice. Definitely nice. Especially when it dries down. Oh, and the way it oxidizes. I have on my ring light because it's so dark in here. And I have on a box light that's like beaming down on me, probably giving me such strong light, but this is all I got when I'm in here in the evenings. So bear with me, guys, bear with me. I wanted to just talk to you guys. I like talking to y'all when I do my makeup. I think it's so cool. I cannot wait to get a haircut. I'm like so spoiled now, like get my haircut once a week. I've still been doing every 2 weeks, but sometimes I do like a once a week thing. But I am just like too spoiled. Like, I love a fresh haircut. I love a fresh haircut. I gotta fix this here. Should I just use the thing here? Oh! Okay. Gotta clean that up. Y'all, doing these brows. That's why I should do them before I get on the camera. Okay. We good? Okay. For, look at me picking up stuff. For concealer, I'm gonna put on my GRWM because it's hydrating. And I feel like you may not can tell, but since I need to do a good exfoliant, and I might do it when I come back, depending on how I feel. I might do like a soft one just to kind of like when I get my makeup off. I feel like I see so much texture. And that's a sign when you gotta like do your skin, you know. And I know I need to change my skincare, I know. The skincare that I'm using, I did not change out for the winter. I gotta get a little bit heavier. And I got some skincare to show you guys too, so stay tuned for that. Excuse me for the sniffle. Excuse me. Yeah, you can see all the dryness, especially even like up here. Like from my do-rag, and you could tell that's me taking a shower. It's, oh God. I think I'm gonna start using a scarf and let go of the do-rag, because the do-rag for me tying it, this line, I mean, after a while, during the course of the day, it does go away, but it takes a while. But I did buy me a scarf from the beauty supply store, and I think I'm gonna just try that scarf method and see if that works out for me, and if I can get the same look. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm using my Black Radiance. You guys already know. Just to kind of do this. Today, y'all, all I did was relax. I was saying in my vlog how I was going to do all these videos and do this. My body was like, sit down. Not saying you got to push through sometime when you want to, you know, get things done. But my body was like, if you don't sit it down and sit it down now, I'm going to sit it down for you. And that's what I did. I laid around all day. I took a nap. I went and got me some rotisserie chicken because I was not cooking today. I ain't put no highlight on. I was not cooking. And I done put some highlight on my forehead. But yeah. Today was a chill day. I mean, when I say chill, I mean chill. I didn't do. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and put this on my eyelid. This is my Fenty. I had this for a while. I don't know if this ain't even burned out yet. I mean, it's a little dent. It's like a little, but it's not like my my Black Radiance. Black Radiance is done. So let's see, what are we doing now? Yeah, I'm so tired and I'm trying to be out the street. I found some really nice women on TikTok to follow. They were in their 40s, so that was nice to find some women within my age group. I need to be finding some women some more women in their 50s, because I'm almost there. I am almost there, honey. I'm almost there. So yeah, let me put on my liner and put on my mascara, and then we'll come back. Mascara and liner is on. Lipstick, I know. Oh, here we go. I know I put it right here. Lipstick, what are we gonna do? Is this my cream? I don't want to wear nobody color lipstick. I'm not doing it tonight. Y'all, your girl is playing around. We're gonna use Espresso by NYX. I do have on some Summer Fridays on my lips, so I don't know how well this is gonna go on. You can see all the texture in my skin. Oh my god. Ugh. I need to do a good facial. And I've been drinking tons of water too, so sometimes when you drink a lot of water, that can purge your skin. And I've definitely been drinking more than I'm supposed to. Well, not supposed to. It's more than normal, I should say. That's put it like that. I don't know. Like I'm around here losing my electrolytes. This is a little small pillow talk from Charlotte. I have my Anastasia in my purse where it belongs. I finally got it in there. And this is not like nudie how I like it, but, and then we got gloss, the Sephora gloss. I'm just gonna give it to me right here. I'm sorry, my energy is low. I'm trying to be, I don't even know, but I'm trying to hang out, y'all. I'm trying. Okay, here we go. This stuff smells so good. So good. Oh, it smells so good. I am gonna follow up with some of this. Y'all, you guys know I bought a big one of these. My package got lost. And I shouldn't be using this neither. We're gonna go on a hydration journey, y'all. Your girl gotta stop using all this mattifying products because, you know, I'm getting up there and I don't want to, you know, my skin is good. And I gotta treat my skin good if I wanted to continue to look good. But by me using mattifying products, especially now, you know, in this winter month, it's really can be hard. I can definitely see all the texture. Now, do the makeup look good? Can you look at me and be like, hey, you look nice, looks okay, but you know, we could be our worst critics. But I'm gonna go and get dressed, and I'm gonna insert some footage of me with my outfit on. Yes, because your girl forgot the last one. I'll make sure I do it tonight. I'll make sure. And I might even get some footage to put at the end of this so you guys can see how I held up. Okay, see how I held up.